What's the meaning of barley water? Barley water. Barley water.
Barley water. Barley water. Barley water is a refreshing drink made from barley, which is a type of cereal grain commonly used in cooking and brewing. It is a popular drink in many cultures around the world and is often consumed for its many health benefits. Barley water is high in fiber and antioxidants, making it a great choice for those looking to improve their digestive health and support their immune system. It can also be used as a remedy for urinary tract infections or to soothe an upset stomach. Overall, barley water is a nutritious and delicious beverage that is easy to make and can be enjoyed hot or cold.